Hello guys, so in this video we will understand IP addresses, subnets and CIDR ranges for DevOps engineers. Now we all have seen and worked with IP addresses that look something like this, but things start getting a little confusing when we add a prefix or a CIDR range that looks something like this. It can either be /16, /24, /25 or something else. So to understand this, let's go back to our IP address. So we know that in our IP addresses there are 4 parts, and each part is an octet. That means it has 8 bits that can be represented like this. Now, the way we read the bits is from right to left in the power of 2's. So the rightmost bit has the value of 1, then the next one is 2, then 4, 8, and it will keep on doubling like this. And if you add all of that, you will get 256. That means each octet of the IP address can have any number between 0 to 255. Now, how do we get a 0 here, right? So it's simple. For every bit, you just put 0. Now, how do we make a 10? So to make a 10, you have to add 8 with a 2. That means in place of the 2 and the 8, you will put 1. So this is actually the binary representation of a 10. Now let's go back to our main question and take an example of this. So this IP address has an CIDR range or prefix of /24. Now this 24 simply means that the first 24 bits are reserved. That means 8, 16 and 24. So these 3 parts are reserved or locked. That means we'll not change these 3 and only this number will be changed. So the IP range for this CIDR will be 10.0.0.0/24 to notify that the first 24 bits are reserved, to 10.0.0.255. Now let's take another example. So things start getting a little more confusing when you see numbers like 25, 26, which are not directly divided by 8. So the concept remains the same. So let's expand the last part of the IP address in the form of 8 bits like this. So /25 means the same thing. It means the first 25 bits will be reserved. That means this part is reserved. So we are left with only numbers up to 64. And if you add all of this, what you will get? You will get 128. That means the IP range for this CIDR will be 10.0.0.0, because again, we always start from 0, /25 to denote that the first 25 bits are taken, to 10.0.0.127/25, because again, we start from 0. So if you count from 0 to 127, you get 128. So I hope the concept of CIDR ranges and IP addresses is now clear. In the next video, we'll talk about how we split a network into multiple subnets. So to watch that video, please subscribe to our channel in DevOps Studio. And if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.